easy.
Yeah.
Forget.
Yeah.
It is easy. It will go for easy.
Yeah.
Ugona.
Yeah.
If it is easy, forget. It will
go
go for
easy as
for
well.
easy,
For
Baba. For easy Jamaican thing.
Now me get to me, brother. Now you know. Now you
it
talk.
Is if it is easy, forget.
Yeah,
it will go for easy.
For easy as well.
Yeah.
Nah, get you, man.
So,
yeah, me understand you now. You know.
Cheers, yeah, ajipachu.
Yeah.
Cheers, yeah, ajipachu.
Yeah, right.
Everything. Chinepunduso in life, and it's just hard to get. Yeah.
Yes.
You know what? And like one knows kuti uve a better person in life. It's hard. For instance, kuverenga cheko kunorwadza, but it will actually make you a better person. Kushanda nesimba kunorwadza, but it will actually give you more money, right? Kunamata kunorwadza, but it will actually help you for salvation yako spiritually. No matter kuti ukunamatira kuna Mwari here, kuna Allah here, or kuna God, zvese zvikurwadza, but it actually make you a better person. On the basis yekuti if you are praying and if you notice almost every religion, tibatsira kuti tive better people. It actually preaches or tell us kuti tive better people. So all of those good things to achieve everything chiri good, it's hard. And all those steps to achieve everything good, it's hard. So no shortcuts, bruh. No shortcuts.
Right. Sekuru, ndine chikumbiro chandinacho. Maurriers akaenda kuSouth Africa.
Yes.
Chane takona bhora recalculator Sekuru. Vaite sei Sekuru?
Unoziva kuti chi? We are now back to the same story Nambotaura as well. Right. If you notice, Cristiano Ronaldo, right? He's one of the greatest players of all time.
Yeah.
But during an interview, Nani, a Portuguese footballer, right? He was his teammate as well. I think he's still his teammate. Portugal and also Man City, Man United as well, right? Nani said, "Good, we had training and but ndakaenda kumba for supper, for dinner kumba kwa Cristiano Ronaldo. But after we had vegetables mainly and some meat, like the diet was specifically for an athletic person diet." And then after that, and tichipedza daro Cristiano Ronaldo akatoenda kunoswimba. Tatita session Muscat, right? But you went to swim and also you went to the gym again. So what I'm saying is,
Maurriers Sekuru.
Maurriers are good. More training, more practice, more training. Session, sasho. Messi kuti ave as good as he is, and he spends more time with the ball. You need to spend more time with the ball. You need to familiarize yourself with the ball. They train almost every day, bruh. Almost every day. No breaks. So you see, for you to be that great, you need familiarization with the ball. So it's all about focus. Focus.
Right.
Hanzi Chile isikutora league. Ini ndikaitwa coach weChile. Ndotogudza kuti ndinoto cause hapana vanenge vachifanira kutora session every day cause varikuita.
If I was you, I'd turn up that frequency.
It's the only frequency that matters. Star FM, sounding good all the time.
Tali senza imani abatala bathi nginenkani bathi nginjani tali nginenkinga la nemali ayihlali so hurt my feelings ngisakhalila nakhalimali tali senza imani abatala bathi nginenkani bathi nginjani tali nginenkinga la nemali ayihlali so hurt my feelings ngisakhalila nakhalimali hambani Gantone, back outside like quick Vandal, oi, call up from Nana to Santone. Same story, boozy. Who is the coke? I'm boozy. I father these boys, I'm foozy. And I can't tell a girl I'm foozy. Gane, naphi imali encane khwabi nabangani manje nahlela sengane unaruto nayo siphichana unganhluphi imadoka siphusinje zanto kokoti umdali senza imali abadala bathi nginenkani bathi njani nginenkinga lana imali ayihlali so hurt my feelings ngisakhalila nakhala imali umdali senza imali abadala bathi nginenkani bathi njani nginenkinga lana imali ayihlali so hurt my feelings ngisakhalila nakhala imali. These days I don't want issues, I don't want problems, I don't want trouble. These days I don't want power, I don't want doodoo, I don't want trouble. Wangu, I don't want her and I don't want you unless it's a double. Cause these days if you're depressed for even a day then you're gonna fumble. I mean I'm yelling in you, ufuka geza panda pula basuku. Skulegela amatuba so much, kunonkulu God I'm thinking it's juju. And if it was juju I'd be my lemon with scissor I'm back in a cut. No it's not voodoo, I do explain to my woman like I'm tally since he mad. Abadala bathi nginenkani bathi njani nginenkinga lana imali ayihlali so hurt my feelings ngisakhalila nakhala imali umdali senza imali abadala bathi nginenkani bathi njani nginenkinga lana imali ayihlali so hurt my feelings ngisakhalila nakhala imali.
Yeah, man, that's Indigo Saint from Skies. Shout out to you, King. Met him when I was on the ZITF Tatz. Very cool guy.
Nice.
Calm and collected guy. Yeah, and he's killing it. I like it. Song titled Dali. And we're getting into it. So, Sekuru Gudo, people want to know, kuti kana baby rangu richindipa ma one-word answers. What should I do, Sekuru? Neguti, pame pacho ndine chido choktaura nai. Ndine plan a conversation. Another person ongondipa one-word answer, Sekuru.
Unozera kuti msikana wako yeye anditi ari kukupindura ma one word answer ane mumwe munhu izvezvi waari kutextera maparagraph and waari kutotanga. So the difference between you and this other person is she likes the other person. So the best advice I can say is siyana naye, because you just have to let it go, bruh. And you know, as human beings, we always love what we can't have.
Sekuru makutipisa Sekuru. Murikuti chini mwana nemuzukuru wenyu Sekuru arikuti ndoita sei nemsikana.
Ngasiyane naye.
Ngatsvage zvezera racho.
Maybe pamungachazotodzoka kana akatozona kuti iwewe hauna pressure naye. Yeah.
You know what I learned as well? Too much of everything is bad.
Yes.
So too much texting, my guy, it's bad. Stay away from it.
Yeah.
Don't over text.
No, don't send more than 2 texts.
All right, so
but not advice.
Yeah, let me just read this one. And Sekuru Gudo, what about Moon? Anoti achakude. Then also we after 1 week actually hi baby.
Stay away from confused people.
Yes.
They will destroy you.
Yes, Sekuru.
Yeah.
Right. But Sekuru Miraika, pame pacho inenge siri confusion. Inonzi delayed decision making.
But
wait,
Thami. This person was with you and she was dating you.
Yeah.
It means that maybe akambonotry kunotsvaga munofamba mumasango fona kuti masango amatema oda kudzoka. So are you not a special person wekuti unoda kuitwa a second option nemumwe munhu?
Sometimes, you know, having an option, Sekuru, being an option is better, Sekuru.
Do you tell me, would you want to be a second option nemumwe munhu?
Enini? Yeah. If circumstances allow.
That answer will decide kuti, do you love yourself or you don't? If you want to be a second option to someone, it means you don't love yourself. But if you love yourself, you just want to be the first option.
But how about working hard to climb the ranks, Sekuru?
No, ranks.
Going to my ranks.
Ranks.
Sekuru, parenya and anchida kuvunza. You know, when you just I saw there's an issue that's trending. Cool. You know, okay. All those questions, Vanhu vatori serious ka.
Hanzi sekuru toita sekuti tisadye ma-ex edu. You know what?
Just be faithful.
You need to tame the wolf, bro.
Yeah, tame the wolf.
Tame the wolf. Like
Yeah.
I understand you. Yeah, as men,
Yeah.
we are attracted to beautiful things, bro.
Yeah.
Tinongoda tikana chinhu chakanaka nditi.
Yeah.
We want to maintain it and
Yeah.
whatnot. Even an amdara edu unonzoti time unonzoti mdara wako akasiya vana kwamutare. Maybe chokwadi because zvingoitika waona. But you need to tame the wolf. You need to tell yourself, no, this is
what I'm not gonna do.
Yes.
Draw the line.
Yes.
And tell
You have
yourself not to
principles.
cross.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, someone who doesn't have principles, trust me, they don't go far. They don't go far because it's
Yes.
important to have things that actually, guide you in life. So there's this issue that I had, my guy. Nyaye ningirikiri nonzichi. Who's this girl? Is there someone called My Sasha that you heard of? Someone called Chennai.
I've never heard about it.
What's going on? Because I saw like they're trending. I got on Twitter. I couldn't like quite get what's going on, but Chennai or Chiedza and My Sasha, something like that. They're trending.
Nyaya about Twitter, this is the Utaura time.
It
It might not be something nice.
Mm.
I don't know, but nyaya about X, it might not be something nice, bro. Yeah. So you need to know
Attention,
first.
all Zimbabwe tobacco industry leaders, financial institutions, tobacco farmers, NGOs.
Chakachaya.
This is what real radio sounds like. Star FM, sounding good all the time.
They call me DJ Tower.
We are the hits.
Okay, she's a catch when it's shooting good. The honey bag that would not have done it too good. On my doc says that you can get more food. I'll be fresh from top Chicago Butu. So I see you hanging outside. Chingo Luca, cast by my God. Beam boys, boo, no one is in my finding. You can go be outside, don't get beat. Might say you bro, but you will know the names. And this jean chakapera, buto like no service. Send me on Natasha Makuzora, Jake Chukisa. Amuko mani mimi, kuno Decembera. Timbo, how to jika easily. Tova set, bad to sing. Just a pop from my streets, kungezesa. About my baza, fain hitter.
Ay, kindada vaira une zviri zvakudara ndimi
tight yana ndini ndambara kukuya bamba rusina kana beg chimbomira ndokukandira mafekta amuko iwewe nemafesa akomesa muko tasangini ndokudatapfika pandokuona ndokudatapfika
team akawanda kunge World Cup braye pa Valentine's Day ndine red cup wangu ndikumberi kwa kumberi pane get up kana vamchukudzi vati ndiwe wega uriko ukabvunza madhara chakagara chikara mabitsa ndoika ndechibababa ari mfana ya next amutata ndiri butsi jena ndamutata okupikana mwari avana vesa vana basava anongondidena ngetoyutsiro muhataka bebi tinotora timbonde makandaka kana uchindidena usandideni ndarova mamba mafawina pitapis when I drop a song they go sweat kunze kwapis skanondinayo notedra tinjapis super yellow bone kunge gandare nachis speed buster fire chikoko chemachis
ndadavaira uine zvinhu zvakudara ndimi tight yana ndini ndambara kukuya bamba rusina kana beg chimbomira ndokukandira mafekta amuko iwewe nemafesa akomesa muko tasangini ndokudatapfika pandokuona ndokudatapfika
kiwe ye AIDS amuko mukuita kunge show ya John Legend amuko urimbaoda ueta kuita kungorizi boss up a global rock pega mandatory viscous on the face yacho fun come down a red rose uchenge tande buis to change the head bag oh gosh kunge toki iwewe uri boki usangotesa kuno manu noti masi hobby kushiti team power inotenga ring with trick makutonga team power my fake bowler tambira ikure motisata bowler just name sort of the fun kuita baba hapa vest no nyora ne pencil ndo sasa raba ubanda sunza jani section yese yanda lava and why you ballin' low key kasuri undercover ipapa
ndadavaira uine zvinhu zvakudara ndimi tight yana ndini ndambara kukuya bamba rusina.
Right, so Team Ball coming up with Simba Tags with Hanza Mupo. It is Star FM sounding good all the time. 12:46. What's up? What's going on? How are you finding your WTF for your Wednesday, Thursday, Friday vibe? Yeah, we're on a Thursday today, so we're doing TF today. What's going on? What you doing? What's your plan for the day? Real quick, I was having a quick chat with Sekuru Gudo in the first 30 minutes of my show. Wow, Sekuru Gudo has got it, guys. Has got it. And I like it when people are consulting. It's like Sekuru To's family say, so that things go, really well for us. And I'm seeing the responses that are coming through. Hey, they're so scary, my guy. But anyway, thank you so much for those that really gave me, the heads up on what's going on. Trust me, I was in the dark. I didn't know what was going on. So I woke up today, I decided to check what's trending. And I'm like, why are those people trending? I thought it's code names. Then, only to realize it's not code names, it's real life stories. Anyway, it happens. And please, let's try to, keep certain things to yourselves. Like, Tatz said, be principled. Know when to draw a line. Yeah. Because it's all fun and games until it's you. I don't think we should continue doing what is being done. If you know that you are still finding yourself on the wrong side of the line, please get yourself on the right side of the line. And also, realize how important your life is. Because we don't want to be statistics, we don't want to be examples, but instead the best thing that we can do is be on our best behavior for the best. I think it serves both the next person and yourself. That's what I believe in. So has there been any time that you considered running away from home, and maybe why?
Yeah, Ndlovu was Derek when I was young.
Hey, I feel like every child has had that life.
And then I went to my friend. Yeah. You
wrote a letter to your moms.
To your moms.
They're like, I know.
And then mom's the friend young was the butter what I wanted to and then the story was over. But I don't mean teaser but didn't get to and chat we about.
Yeah. So anything once happened. My young brother once ran away, like and then you know what happened? Later on, Novaro and Nzara, man. There's always the hunger, then you come back home. Yeah. The coming back part now was the difficult part of the whole story. Because you'll be feeling like, okay, but we had I think it was 5 p.m. curfew. So we're supposed to be at home at 5. We were never at home at 5, boss. So every time we get home after 5, I was always getting a thumping, like a proper thumping,
So every
a
day.
proper delivery of, physical, yeah. You know, it really,
Corporal punishment.
yeah, corporal punishment. It really wasn't looking good like that. So I want to find out, have you ever been in a situation where you've considered running away from home, and why? At some points, I think Tarambo Rasamari Chingwa, and then at some points, we developed this strategy, like you go in the middle of the bread, you can pluck out slices and no one can see that, Paviso Chingwa knows it. So what we'll do is we'll go buy bread, and then to visa maybe one slice. So the moment we get home, you start doing a head start. So it so happened this other day. I don't know what happened, where Mother Luck was on that day. So we buy bread, we're trying to do the usual. But kuda kuvisa ma slices hamda. I mean to zvakafamba sei chingwa chikadona, cheese chikazara amavu. And that was like the worst part of our lives. We couldn't even go back home because we knew we had messed up big time. We couldn't even go back home because we knew it messed up big time. So we decided we're just going to stay by the gate till they look for us. So we stood outside. This other aunt of ours came. Was now being sent to go look for us. How are you going to explain?
But you think it was better never get Tarasabari?
It was better for us to say to Tarasabari. It's a non-starter, my guy. They were going to give us a proper walloping.
And then what avoid us?
We received. We received, my guy. Teaching. Parents back then would beat you talking, which was like the sad part. Wanga uchi teaching. And like, you're busy receiving the thumpings like properly. Proper thumping.
It's just crazy, man.
Yeah, man, that was the story. Let us know. Have you ever thought of running away from home, and why? I want to find out from you. Did you drop some slices? Oh, you ended up looking for an aunt to take you home like Tatz did. I want to find out from you. The Rhyme Assassin with Run Him Up. Guess who's featuring on this one? MOP and Rusty Jacks. It is just 9 minutes before we get to 1 o'clock. Let's talk. Did you almost run away from home? And what was the case? Wow me. Let's find out.
Get your muscle out, get your six-pack, tummy tuck, double up. Game all down, run them up, get your wig split, trying to call 12. Easy to tell who's real, who's fake. I don't break bread with birds or make